Initially, this contract was to fix and repair bursts for Scottish Water, who are the main client. So that's consisted of replacing the sewer with an offline connection consisting of 710mm plastic pipe connected to ductile iron bends, which will take us underneath the watercourse through a steel sleeve that's been directionally drilled. We did put the tender out to multiple contractors, but Mabey Hire were really quick on getting back to us and dealing with the changes that we had to deal with in terms of the designs. Because it was emergency works, we were learning more about it as the works progressed. It was very much a case of you came up to a problem and you had to get designs changed, and that's very much been ongoing throughout the entirety of the project.
We've had propping and jacking on this site. We've had different solutions in terms of sheets and frames. We've got a propped cantilever design, we've got cantilever sheets, and we've got multiple frames. We've got the piling hammer from yourselves as well, which has been a godsend on this job. It really has been a one-stop shop to get us access to the areas that we need to work in. The main one for the project was the drive pit. You had 6-metre piles down onto the rock level, and then you were pecking out a rock shelf to form the base of your directional drill to go under the watercourse. As part of that as well, to get access to the reception pit, we had also approached Mabey Hire to design a bridge to facilitate transport of a 25-tonne excavator over. The design for the reception pit consisted of 6-metre piles down a depth of 5 metres with a concrete base, and from there we got the downstream tie-in next installed. So this is the downstream tie-in pit. We had the 3-frame solution in here, couple of lifts on concrete, thrust wall, valve arrangements installed, and this ties in our overland with our permanent arrangement. This joins onto our new trench run, which will guide the alignment of the permanent works to tie out of and back into the existing line, both upstream and downstream.
I think what's more unique about it is at an angle. It's not like a straight cofferdam, it's not really a straight trench run. Craig did give us a CAD drawing which we were able to interpret. With this we were able to correctly model our frames and the sheets at a suitable angle, so there was no clashes with the permanent works.
Probably one of the trickier parts of the project would be with the swab chamber. You're talking boxes to get the initial excavation done, 6-metre piles installed behind them to deal with the running sand, and then we've got the wee aluminium box in now supporting the back wall and the sides so that we can remove the 2 side walls. So a lot of the designs have been done in such a way that the frames can be removed, so that helps to reduce the cost to the contract for the client, but it also helps prevent obstructions to our works. This project as a whole, now we're coming towards the end of it, has been a really good partnership with George Leslie to go into future projects, as I believe here we've done a really good job working hand in hand together as a partnership. We've felt really cared for on this job and prioritised, and we would definitely see ourselves working with Mabey Hire again.